Hi, here I will show you how to create the subtitle, the caption file from a video in no time and in a totally free way. We will create both the SRT and VTT format for the captions. There are a lot of ways to do it, but my favorite method is to use this program, Subtitle Edit. Then the first step to do is to open a browser and look for Subtitle Edit Download in your favorite search engine and open the GitHub page of this program and click on the first result that you see and the download starts. I already downloaded it and I already unzipped it and I have this installer. You have to run the installer. The installer starts and you choose English as language. Okay, choose custom installation and check them all and next. If you want to, you check create a desktop shortcuts and install. I already have the program, so I cancel the installation. Okay, and now I will show you how to use this program to create the subtitle. Okay, you open the program and the first thing to do is to import, to load a video inside this program. Tab video, open video file and open the video that you want. The first time you import a video, the programs will ask to you to download a library. You download it and it allows to you to play the video inside this program. Take a look. That's it. Sometimes awesome. Now let's create the captions of this video. Tab video, audio to text. You have to choose English as language because the video is in English. Now choose an engine. I recommend you to choose this one. And next you choose the model as well. This drop-down menu will be empty for you. You have to press this button and choose an English model. Here you can note that the dimension of these models are very different between them because you have to choose here the right compromise between translation accuracy and translation time. A large model will take more time to download it and it will be very slow to generate the captions. Instead, a tiny model or a base model will generate the captions more quickly. I advise you to choose small or base, okay? I already downloaded it, thus I cancel. Okay, now I choose the small.en model, for example, and I press the generate button. The process generation takes about 2-3 minutes. I speed up the video because I don't want to bore you. The time process depends also from the power of your computer and from the model you have chosen. Okay, here we have the subtitles, the captions, and let's take a quick check if the translation, the quality of translation is good. Here we talk about documentation. Okay. What is it? What is it? Perfect. Any developer, even the best one, cannot remember the type of functions, tags, rules and properties. Okay. At a first check, it seems a very good translation, and in fact, I can assure you that the translation is very good. Now, if you want correct, if you want fix a possible error, a possible mistake of the tool, that maybe it depends of your pronunciation, of how you spoken a particular word. For example, the lead tag. Actually, the right translation should be delete tag. Then I can fix it manually in this way. Very simple. The subtitles are synchronized with the video, but if the synchronization isn't good for a particular subtitle, a particular caption, you select it, and here you can change the start time, the duration, and so on. When everything is perfect and you are ready, you can export the caption. It's very simple. Export custom text format. Save as. I put it on the desktop with the name video captions in the SRT format. And now, okay, here I have the captions. I can open them with the subtitle edit program, but I can also open them with the notepad. Okay, and here they are. Now I will show you how to generate the captions in another format. For example, in the VTT format, because for the web development the VTT format is pretty important, because the default HTML5 video player supports only the VTT captions. With the track tag you can link the VTT captions to the video. But here I will show you how to generate the caption in the VTT format. It's a very simple process. Here you can choose the format that you want. In my case should be VTT, web VTT. Here it is. Okay, I select it and I can save them. I click here, save. Okay, on the desktop again, video captions, VTT. Okay, now if I open them, it's very similar to the previous captions. Okay, it's another format. Alright, we have done. Mission accomplished. Give a like and subscribe to the channel if you like, and at the next video. Bye!